That's an earthquake. Things are going great so far.
Ricky, are you always doing great, bro? You always seem like you're so happy, and you seem like you're so great. I wish I was half as happy as Frankie McDonald.
Yes, I'm on the sidewalk.
Damn! Let's see them shoes again. Got them kicks, bro. Damn! A fancy motherfucker. If you're not keeping up with Frankie's style, you're not even in the game. Look at this guy, fresh as fuck. Got them pearly white shoes on in the fucking snow. Oh,
I'm on the sidewalk, not snow. I'm on the sidewalk.
we got double Frankie on the screen.
Double Frankie.
Getting double fisted by double Frankie.